Right here at these hotels, water is still coming up to the seawalls. Used to be about 100 feet or so. All down there you can see a little destruction. A lot of these high-rises had some awnings and stuff. Pier looks alright down there. I see Krabby Joe's. One of the boat ramps. I think this is behind the trade winds. Look at all that washed out. My God.
Storm started to leave. Two-person kayak up here.
Gee.
Yeah.
This used to be about 100 yards.
A lot of seawalls collapsed.
Yeah. Lord, this is a boat ramp. Look at all that washed out up there. Seawalls all the way down. Part of that building right there torn apart. Awning. Look at these stairs down here. Destroyed. This is the boardwalk area, Daytona. Usually it's about 100 yards out of the beach where people drive on. See, now it's all the way to the walls. Sand, dirt, sand up here. There's the pier. It looks like Joe's Crab Shack got pretty messed up on the roof, and out there the front of the pier is pretty bad. Look at the waves. Where that pole is out there, that's usually about where you could drive to. Crazy. All these stairs that used to go down to the beach, there are no more. Wiped out over there. Stairway demolished. Sections of the pier blown over. Debris up and down the beach. People are still going to go to the beach. On our way to Flagler Beach, check out the pier, but this boardwalk stayed okay. The rest of them all up and down the beach towards Daytona south, all damaged. They've all been taped up, no access. But this one's, there's actually more beach up here than there is in Daytona. Look at all the stuff that just washed away.
Oh, there's a dolphin. It just came out, a big dolphin.
Houses all seem to be in good shape here. Even the school restaurant, Loggerheads. Minimum damage, even though they're right on the beach. It's amazing. We're here at Flagler Beach. Town's clean. You can't even tell there was a storm through here a few days ago. Just ate at Tortugas. Hardly any debris around here. At the end of the pier there, it looks like the very end, sagging, and it broke apart. About the only damage you can tell. Flagler Beach Pier. This is a funky pelican, but you can see at the end there it's how it's drooping. Well, we just talked to an official. He said another 100 to 200 feet of pier disappeared from where that ending is. He said about 25-foot waves were crashing it and it just dropped in the sea. Wow. Beautiful day today though.